Bovine CRP ELISA Kit developed and produced by ExKits, an efficient experimental tool specifically designed for the detection of C Reactive Protein. This kit adopts the classic sandwich ELISA method, which can rapidly, quantitatively and reliably determine the content of bovine CRP in vitro. ExKits provides researchers with a variety of key technical parameters for the kit, including detection sensitivity, detection range, standard curve date. This is followed by the detailed and simple operation steps of this kit. Firstly, prepare the samples and serially diluted standards. Add standards or samples to each well and incubate. After, discard the liquid. Add biotinylated detection antibody working solution, and incubate, then washing the plate 3 times. Add HRP conjugated working solution and incubate. Discard the liquid, then wash the plate 5 times. Next, add TMB substrate reagent. Incubate for 15 minutes, and immediately add stop solution. After that, you can measure the absorbance and calculate the results of your experiment. More product information can be found on ExKits website. If you have any questions, you can contact us via email. Thank you for watching, and wish you a smooth experiment.